Good morning, Laura. This is Nate coming to you from Tameron Hyundai, located here 1 mile north of the Galleria on 31 in Hoover. Just wanted to give you a quick walk around video of this Santa Fe that you're asking about. Don't mind the rain. We don't mind, you don't mind. Okay, Laura? This vehicle does have the honeycomb grille, which is a great feature of this vehicle. LED wraparound headlights. Again, another great feature of the vehicle. Keeps it looking pretty for you. We do have the aluminum alloy wheels. We do have blind spot detection here in the mirror. What that's going to do for you, Laura, it's going to let you know that there is a vehicle located on the side of you, just in case you don't see it. It's going to beep and let you know that there is a vehicle there, okay? As we take a look at the beautiful interior of this vehicle, it does come standard with Android and Apple CarPlay. You Bluetooth your phone to the system. It makes it hands-free for you. You never have to worry about picking up your phone, taking your eyes and your attention off the road there. But Laura, let me tell you the best thing about this vehicle. It does come with a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. Hyundai gives you a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain, but exclusively here at Tameron Hyundai, we double that for you. No cost whatsoever. It's going to be 20 years, 200,000 miles. Yes, ma'am, Laura, you heard me right. 20 years, 200,000 miles of powertrain warranty. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron. Come see me. My name is Nate, 205-287-2321.